Hello, hello. Wake up every morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, take my Nikon D4, the old one, 12 years old, and with the Sigma lens, and go outside to take pictures of wildlife. I am lucky to live in Florida. So for this reason, I enjoy every morning to take a wildlife pictures. And my passion since 1970 is birds. I take all the images, I download it to the computer, and I'm sitting and start creating with my imagination from what I saw in the Everglades, from what I saw in Wakadahatchee. I create the artwork. Artwork that's make me feel good. And I post it on meirmartin.com. You're welcome to follow me on YouTube or Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Meir Martin, Surreal Artwork Gallery on Facebook and Meir Martin on YouTube. Thank you.